Alright, I got a 03 Honda CR-V. This video has to do with these OBD ports not working. Plugged in, no light, no power to it. 99% of the time on these Hondas, it's gonna be in this main fuse box. You're gonna wanna look for the backup fuse, the 10 amp. It's right here. It's blown. See that? Throw a good one in here. Voila! But it's the same for Accords, CR-Vs, Pilots. They're all pretty much run off of the backup system. So if it's not working, it's a fuse. 99.9% of the time. So check the backup fuse on these Hondas, swap it out, and you'll be good to go.